Hey, what's up, geeks? This is Darron Brown, your instructor from GeekMODE School of React Native. This video, we're going to tackle the simple array sum. Now, this is pretty simple, and basically, what we have to do is just add all of the numbers in our array into one single number. So we can do that the traditional way using the for loop, which is what I will show you guys, but we can also accomplish this by using reduce. So what I want you guys to do, copy everything you have here and paste it into your IDE or text editor. Okay, so first I'm going to go through it in the for loop way. All right, so we're going to go ahead. We have let's say let sum equal 0. We want to make sure that something has been passed back to us. Turn false. Okay, so we're going to loop through our numbers array. So as usual, we're going to create an index that equal to 0. Grab our array dot length. We'll say our index is less than our array dot length. We're going to increment our index with each loop. Now we're going to go ahead, as it's looping through, we're going to set our sum. It's going to be equal to our array dot index. All right. Basically, our sum is just going to keep adding to itself. And now we're going to console log our sum. Oh, go ahead, try that out. We get 40.
Hey, what's up guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video.
5. So 2, we go through this and check it out. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 8 is 28, excuse me, 21 plus 7 is 28, 28 plus 8 is 36, 36 plus 9 is 45. So that works. But now let's go through it. We can actually accomplish this a lot easier. Get this out the way. The reason this is a better way is because we don't know how large our array of numbers will actually be. So instead, we're going to go ahead and just return from here. We're going to return our array.reduce. And what this does, our sum and our item, say our sum and our number. What this is basically going to do, this is going to take our initial value, which is empty, and then it's going to grab our the next value within our array. And what we're going to do, we're going to take our sum and we're going to add it to our number. All right. So we're going to take each number and then just add it over incrementally. So I'm going to go ahead and just console log this as well. Console log. Now let's run that again. And as you can see, we're getting back 45. Very simple. So I'm going to copy this and then return to HackerRank's website. I'm going to paste that in. Now let's try our code. See, everything's passing. Let's submit it. Awesome. That's exactly what we wanted to get back. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you geeks in the next time. Peace.